of it.
So here we are, we made it to the Mill City Drift Track. This was the setup. Kyan was towing the 46. We have loads and loads of tires. Bunch back here and bunch in the Porsche as well. I came in the Vette, so this is what we're gonna be driving today. First event, so we're super duper nervous. Well, Matthew was here once, but this is my first event, and so I'm kind of nervous, but we have a quick driver's meeting and then inspections, and if we pass those, we'll get straight to driving. We got drivers out here already. We just passed inspection, but we're just fixing my battery. This guy passed inspection too, surprisingly. But got a jerry rigging my battery so that it stays in place, and then we're ready to rock and roll. All right, this is our first run. Matthew's going first in the E46. We're gonna get a feel for the track, see how it is for us. Let's go.
That's nice.
Holy moly.
I'm like watching my back the whole time, and I'm like, that's about to touch wall. That's about to touch wall. I'm shaking over here, bro. Currently, it's Reuben's turn. It's his first lap, so we're gonna just drive around, get the hang of it right now first, and then probably second or third, we're actually gonna hit it. This guy's nervous, and I'm too tall.
My heart is shaking, dude. I'm so nervous. We didn't actually record any of my first attempts because a lot of them looked like this, and this, and this. But after a lot of off-camera practice, I started to get the hang of it.
All right, I'm slowly getting the hang of it.
That wasn't...
Yeah, dude.
Yes, bro. That's what I'm talking about. laps we got?
50 million.
50 million. How much more laps we got?
10 more.
10 more.
Easy.
Oh, my face. All right. You got a tire changing station? $5 a tire to change it. Super sick. Super convenient. All right, how's it going so far, dude?
It's going good. I mean, surprisingly, no one has broken down yet. I think we've burned two sets of tires?
Yeah, two pairs of tires.
2 pairs of tires.
Yeah, so they're doing some cleaning on the track right now.
Let's see that.
Oh, let's see some, dude. Hey, do a wall tap.
Right there.
Right there.
Oh.
Hey, there you go. Yeah, that's the owner. He's super chill.
Super chill guy. He owns a Corvette.
He's super nice guy. Also drives a Corvette.
Currently about 1 p.m. Reuben's out there in line, still drifting. While he's kind of getting himself fun. Want to make food right now. Take a rest, and we're gonna have a couple other more bodies coming up. So, hot dogs. I don't have any forks or anything, so. Oh yeah, that's nice. Lunchtime. Reuben, how are we doing?
I mean, I'm getting the hang of it.
He's been doing pretty well. He's been doing pretty
I'm
well.
still spinning out a lot, but overall, I'm getting a lot better. I got the feel for it. My car's kind of overheating, so I'm letting it rest a bit. I definitely need to upgrade my fans, but other than that, dude, we're loving it here.
Hot dog's good.
Oh, yeah.
New merch coming out soon. Reuben, turn around. Woo!
Then Matthew had a bright idea to try tandems, and literally on our first lap, we almost crashed into each other. But nonetheless, we kept trying, and it was really fun. Anyways, enjoy this little montage of other people driving. There was a lot of good drivers and a lot of good people there, so hope you guys enjoy. Letting Matthew swing the Corvette, see how he does. He's about to show off in front of me.
Watch the wall.
Show off.
Easy, dude.
Oh, that's freaking good. So it's like 3:30. These are some of my final laps, so let's make the most out of them. Yeah, there's no more tire left, bro. All right, dude. So that's about wraps it up. We ran out of tires and time, but pretty much this is it. What happened? What do you got to say, dude?
It was pretty good the whole time. Last 40 minutes, I noticed my steering getting really stiff. I pulled in, couldn't really find anything, and I went to go kind of pump it through, and it just blew out, smoke everywhere, and I hear a pump going out, and you can hear the whining open, and it's just draining out of the pump itself. So
yeah, so this guy's power steering blew. I broke nothing, but I was overheating like crazy, so I do need to get better fans or something. But we blew through so many tires. How much did we go through? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then there's more in his trunk as well. But man, we went through a lot of tires, and we still have about 6 to 8.
We have about 5 more tires.
Yeah, we have about 5 more tires, and so we prepped pretty good. This event went a lot
Really
better
well,
than the last
a lot
one, because
better.
the last event, this guy's diff blew up. This time, absolutely chilling.
Yeah.
Dude, freaking hecka
Awesome.
ripping it. We hope that the footage is good enough, and we'll see you guys next time.